All right, Ilku. First order of the day.
Right here.
We doing another mom and son ride along. All right, Ilku. First order of the day.
Right here.
We doing another mom and son ride along. Say hey to YouTube. First, she said it's Thai food, $8 is the change. We jumping straight into it. That's my no intro. What time is it? It's 3 something. Oh, it's 4:01. Oh shit. Alright, okay, we here. Taco King, $11. They got 2 big old bags. Let's go ahead and unload. Here we go. We're here. Double order.
You in water?
Double order.
Oh.
We go.
Look at the tow truck, man.
I don't even know the address. Hey, Uber Eats 17. Everything on there for you. Crispy crunch. I gotta grab me a blueberry muffin. What the heck is this? I don't know what that is. It look good.
Okay, see what that building is, because I see the address. Yeah, I love them.
We're looking for 1D. And let me text the customer. Hold on. Let me text the customer. Hold on. All right, I did. I think they coming down. I think they coming down. What's up? Or is going off the trench? Yeah. Alright, these butt points, they sound good. You know, that's it. Shopping bay order you off at $10. Hey, we'll read the doors.
Thank you.
Got a hand to. Uber Eats.
Thank you, love. Hey.
Turn it up.
Hey, no, listen, I'm gonna tip you. I know I said
Oh,
go some
yeah.
cash. I'm gonna tip you on my card. I'm sorry, babe.
No cash this time.
Huh?
So no cash tip this time.
Okay, so do you got change for 20?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Shit, come on. I
You want a
got
shot?
Yeah, it's in the car. Go grab it in the car.
Okay. Okay.
Just down right there real quick. I almost went inside. I was finna crush it. No cap. Yeah, I got it.
Listen. Okay, I brought the bottle so you can see.
Oh, shit. What we celebrating?
Life.
Life?
Okay, you need
Oh,
change
yeah.
though.
Don't tell my boss, all right?
Of course not. 5 stars. Listen.
5 stars, I need that.
That's 15. Right?
Yeah, this 20. Just
No, just give me
back.
15.
There you go.
Thank you. Alright.
All right. Thanks,
Enjoy your
man.
night.
What? Stand up for me. Man, we at Wendy's, y'all. Inside closed. What time is it? It's only 8 o'clock. Fucking Wendy's. Yeah, they closed. Wendy's. Hand tool. Hey. Wendy's, Capisha. What's up, little man? Hi.
Thank you.
New message from Diamond M. Sorry, did you get the caramel chocolate cheesecake ice cream?
Is it a girl? It look like it. It's so easy.
I ain't seen nobody there.
Oh. Yeah, that's them. Shop and pay, order hand too. Alright.
Yep, be careful.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Head to your pickup at
Hey, y'all. And this shit, too. That's it. It's too late for all that knocking and shit, though, bro. I'm getting irritated. Double order. It's the first one. No lights on. But they got lights on. How you doing? Oh, I don't know if they told you, but the milk shake machine was down.
Okay.
Oh, you welcome. Sweetwater and two. Thank you. $35 water and two. You stupid ass customer. How much for Marcel?
Yeah. Oh, it is 0744.
0744. There. Alright, y'all. We got an order from Rios County. We on the service job. What do we gotta do? Make sure it's shut. Even for DoorDash?
We're good.
Okay. So that Taco Bell closed. We coming right here.
Thanks for choosing Taco Bell. What can I get started for you today?
Yeah, can I get the Loco, the three,
You want the Supreme or you want the regulars?
the is the regular the 3 Dorito?
So the regulars have no sour cream and no.
All right, so we spent $16. I did not get the whole order, which was 2 Gordita Crunches. I didn't get that because that would have added up almost to $30. I'm sorry. They can refund it, get their money back, and still get a free meal. I need this money. It's $40. And it's what, 2:30 a.m. in the fucking morning? Come on now, after hours. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga got the munchies. Alright, we gone. Yo, crew. We here. $40 order. Come on now, stop playing with me. After hour hustle. Oh shit. And it's raining. We here, y'all. $40 order. Oh yeah, we got it, y'all. All right, we're gone.
Pumpkin spicy bread. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Not today. I have an Uber.
Hi, I'm sorry, our systems are currently down.
Even for Uber, DoorDash.
Yes.
Okay. Nope.
Hi, will you be using your mobile app today?
Not
I'm sorry, our system is down. We can't take any orders at the moment.
Okay.
Sorry, we're temporarily closed until 4 o'clock.
Let's try this one out.
How about to order?
Yeah, can I have a medium, a small?
I'm sorry?
One moment. Hey, bro.
What up, man?
Can you make my order, everything? Can you make that into a DoorDash order for me? Like put everything in a DoorDash bag.
Okay,
And tape it up.
What, your 2 McDoubles?
The 2 McDoubles and the smoothie all inside one of them
I
DoorDash
understand what you
bags.
want. Yes,
Because it's a
sir.
DoorDash
Yes,
order,
sir.
but everything else closed.
Well, that's the thing. It didn't.
Oh, no. It's not for here. Yeah, it's for somewhere else.
I can give you one of those salad
That's
bags.
Can I just get a sticker and a cup holder?
Yeah.
Can I get a sticker and a cup holder? Can I have a sticker and a cup holder?
I can't give you nothing.
Or can I have a cup holder then?
Yeah,
That's not DoorDash.
That's fine.
It's alright. I got my own. No, it's cool. It's cool. I got my own, bro. People just make up their own rules and
I
shit.
know, man. I'm sorry. You have a good one, okay?
Yeah, man. Y'all don't own shit up here. Y'all just workers, motherfucker. Y'all don't. We're here, y'all. $30.04, and it is 3:28 in the morning. Always keep the bags on. Work around how to. Let's see if they got it, and let's see if they open. Y'all close? Damn. Damn, what happened? Damn. We got another Taco Bell. We gotta go grab that money. I can't hear you.
What kind of started for you?
Oh yeah. Let me get. All right, y'all. We're here. Hey, how you doing? Moving for Danielle?
Yeah.
All right. There we go.
Okay.
20. All right, it was cool. So it's sitting at right now the time 4:14. Gassing up right now. This is gonna conclude the ride along because I have, I think, 58 minutes left. The time did, the day reset it as far as the pay, the pay schedule. It reset at 4 o'clock. So any money I make now will go on to Sunday pay. So Ta-da, drum roll. What we made for Saturday was $281.46, and I still have a pending $5 from that Mickey D's order for $30-something. Yeah, so $281.46, and then we got the pending $5 that make it about $286, so almost $300. Come on now. Yeah, that's one shift. That's one shift. I still got 58 minutes left. Yeah. I done made $100 in like less than an hour from 3 orders. So that's gonna conclude that. Just showed y'all the workaround for closed restaurants, if that's what you do. If them motherfuckers giving you trouble, hey, fuck it. We gone. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Oh, before I go, I'm still in my mom's car, so this is gonna be the second day. Tomorrow gonna be the third, and we gonna see from there. Yeah, go.
I remain the same with success on the brain, turned all pain into motivation. I can't be without it. Told you my plot and you doubt it. Someday I will write my own ballad, and if you're featured in it, it's my way of saying thank you. So, I've changed.